Hi, this is Melanie from Hook to the Left, and I'm going to show you some amazing Happy Mail that I received just the other day. And yeah, so let's just go ahead and get started. Hi everybody, thanks so much for joining me here today. So today I'm going to show you something that I have received from some amazing people in the yarn community. Those of you that are new to crochet and new to the YouTube world of crochet, or crochet tube or yarn tube, whatever you want to call it, if you're new to that, then you may not have yet experienced how amazing this community is. I can't even begin to tell you how amazing each of you are. So as a lot of you know, I've had a difficult month in August, and a lot of people in the community know. If you're new to my channel, you may not know. August 1st, my husband passed away, and then towards the end of the month, my mom was put in the hospital with COVID. She is recovering, you guys. She's recovering. I'm so grateful and so thankful. I'm a little emotional now because, you know, it is what it is, and I'm going to try and get through the video, so bear with me if you don't mind. But I wanted to say thank you. There was something that was going on in the community where some people were making me something, and I didn't know that it was happening. I was oblivious to it, probably because I wasn't paying as much attention as I normally would. And I haven't been since August, the beginning of August. Anyway, give me a minute. I'm gonna edit in just a minute, but give me just a minute so I can calm myself down. You guys, I'm not a big fan of getting emotional on camera, so please, forgive me for that. I know y'all are understanding. But I also want to make sure that you understand what the heck I'm saying, so I have to make myself calm down a little bit. Anyway, I had no idea that this was going on, so there are some people that I want to give a special thank you to, and I know, I think I have some more of these on the way, and I'll give you guys special thank yous when they come in. But I wanted to show you here what was being done, and I had no clue that this was happening. I know in the Yarn Hookers Facebook, Julie had made a diagram for making hearts, and I didn't realize that from that there were people in the community that were basically sending me their love through crocheted granny hearts, Garland. And you guys, look at this. This is amazing. I'm going to hang it up behind me so that I always know what an amazing community I am a part of. This is just one garland, you guys. Look at that. That's so beautiful. It's so beautiful and amazing. And honestly, I cannot thank you guys enough. And if I ever make you guys feel like I'm not appreciative of each and every one of you, I want you to know that I am so much of every one of you. So okay, that's one garland, and ooh, I'm a mess again. You guys, what is it I was saying in my live, my first live that when I came back after everything happened, I was saying, you know, I don't get emotional until you guys start being nice to me. and then I start getting emotional. Alright, so this next one, and let me see if I can't find it, is a little bit bigger. And again, I'm thinking about putting see where that void is up here? I'm thinking about hanging some of the garland up there. Now, let me show you this other garland. And you know, I think Lori was the one that was pulling everything together, like kind of organizing everything. But you guys, oh my gosh, look at this. How pretty. I mean, I know that they're all the same stitch and the same heart, but look how pretty. And the thought that you guys put into this, It's so precious to me that each heart is beautiful. Oh my gosh. Is this a Julie heart? This just seems like something Julie would make with the rainbow. But everybody loves rainbows, right? And purple. Oh, I love it so much, you guys. Look at that. That's so amazing. It's so just, oh my gosh, this is like velvet yarn. It's so soft and fluffy. Fluffy. Look at this, you guys. Oh, another rainbow heart. Yay! I love rainbows. But here we go, you guys. Look at, so there's still more going. It's still going. It is still going. Look at this green one. Oh, so pretty. And this is so soft. Whatever this is, I don't even know. And then another purple one. So pretty. I love it. I love this all so much, you guys. Look at this. So I'm going to go through and name off the people that sent it to me. And if they have, and just say thank you, if they have channels, I will link that down below. Anyway, these are some other hearts that I also got, which are so pretty. And I may end up hanging up right behind me on here. But so pretty. Like the green heart that I showed you guys, and the taupe, and some of the purple and the red hearts and stuff. There was a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 hearts that were sent. I cannot tell who they were from. I can't tell who they're from. But thank you so much for those. I know that, let's see here. And then one of the hearts that I received is from Dawn, aka Yarn is a Sport, one of my beautiful red hearts. The rainbow heart that I said looked like it might have come from Julie is not from Julie. And that person also sent me the pink, and I'm sorry, I'm looking down here, so that's why I'm looking down. I'm looking at my phone. Because Lori took the time to take a picture of each heart with the label so that I know who they came from. So anyway, so the orange, and then there's kind of a gray heart, and then the purple, pink, and white variegated, and then the rainbow, that super bright rainbow heart. I got some cats squaring off over here. So if you hear the crying, that's from the cats. They're oh, that's from Judy, Crochet with Judy. Oh, she'll be linked down below, but it's Crochet Every Day with Judy. So those are from Judy. Thank you, Judy. Oh, love them. And then the white, there's some white and pink and red hearts. They came from Ms. Catherine. I appreciate that so much. Mwah, thank you. And then I have the like the kind of mustardy, and then the brown and blue and white hearts. Those came from my friend from El Paso, Texas. Thank you so much. I appreciate you. The really deep purple heart came from Gigi, the Crochet Queen. Beautiful, beautiful. Thank you so much, and I will find her channel and I will get that link down below. So that's gorgeous. And then the blue hearts, the kind of sage blue, or like the dusty blue color, that came from, where did that come from? A friend in the United Kingdom. I don't have a name to say thank you, but it is from a friend in the United Kingdom. Oh, okay. I should have known. So I did find the Julie hearts, and as I was looking through the garland. Where did I put the other? You guys, oh, there it is. So this rainbow one. Hang on. Where's it at? Alright, so this rainbow one is from Crochet Every Day with Judy. But this rainbow one, and I would expect nothing less from Julie. This is from the Whippy Chick, Julie. And look at that. And actually, I recognize this yarn. I think this is the Big Twist, that rainbow yarn that she made me buy. Yeah, because, you know, she held a gun to my head and made me buy it. Yeah, that's... Anyway, I should have known. So that's from that, along with... she sent me that heart along with a couple of the purple ones and some navy blue and a pretty kind of mustardy yellow. This one, not mustard. I don't know. It's that yellow. So she sent me that, and then I got a couple of white ones from Sarah. Thank you so much, Sarah. That's from the United Kingdom as well. So those are beautiful. Thank you all so much. Again, I'm floored, and you guys have floored me over and over again in this past month. How amazingly generous you are, and how kind you are, and thoughtful, just so thoughtful. But you guys, really, seriously, thank you so much. Thank you. I love all of this, and I will be finding a home for them and getting them up as soon as I can, probably tomorrow. Finding a nice home for these. But oh my gosh, thank you so much. I love them so much. Thank you. Thank you. Each and every one of you. Thank you. And if you watched through all of this video and could manage getting through my my teary phase, I appreciate each and every one of you. If you enjoyed this kind of content, just, you know, showing happy mailers. Okay, maybe I'm not going to break down in every video. I hope not, because then I've got some issues I need to be working out. But at least content showing, you know, yarn stuff, crochet stuff, or crochet community stuff, because it really, you guys, we have an amazing community. We really do. And anyway, I just if you enjoy this kind of stuff, then go down below, hit subscribe, check out all the other channels that I have linked down below for the people that have sent me these. These are people with huge hearts, and even if you didn't send me something here, I have received so much love and so much heart from this community in the past month. Again, I'm just floored, and I know I'm repeating myself, but you guys don't even understand. Anyway, thank you so much. I appreciate each and every one of you. You guys have an amazing day. Bye bye.